Most people wear their denim jacket the same way every single day, but with 3 simple styling tricks, you can transform it from casual to smart casual to date night without buying anything new. Step 1. For casual weekend looks, wear your denim jacket over a plain white t-shirt and jeans. Roll the sleeves to your wrist to show the raw edge. This instantly looks intentional and modern. Step 2. For smart casual, office, or brunch, layer your denim jacket over a button-down shirt or blouse. Leave the jacket unbuttoned so the shirt shows underneath. This adds polish and structure. Step 3. For evening or date night, style your jacket with a fitted dress or skirt. Cinch it at the waist with a belt to create definition and elevate the whole outfit instantly. Step 4. The secret weapon, swap your regular sneakers for different shoes depending on the vibe. White sneakers for casual, loafers for smart casual, heels or boots for evening. Same jacket, completely different energy. Pro tip, avoid buttoning your denim jacket all the way up unless you're going for a vintage look. Leave it open or button just the middle button. It's more flattering and gives you more styling flexibility. What's your go-to denim jacket combo? Drop it in the comments. Follow Sikho for more styling tips. Visit Sikho.ai.